Hello.
Hey, Abby.
How's it going?
How you doing?
Good.
All right. How's the body today?
It's good. Just did an
Okay.
ocean swim.
Nice. This morning?
Yeah, my shoulder's been feeling better. Definitely want to keep working on it.
Okay. So you're seeing some improvements since our last treatment?
Mm-hmm.
I know we did that Shockwave. So how was that?
Yeah, I mean, definitely it took some days off to like recover from that. I was really sore, but I think it was really helpful.
Okay. All right. Let's start that again.
Okay, cool.
All right. So we were having some shoulder problems here in that rotator cuff, more in that teres minor. How's that feeling right in there?
Yeah,
little tender.
Sore. Ooh, yeah.
Right there too. All right. So last time we were at that 0.12 on the energy. We did about 2,000 shots. We'll probably start there for the first half, and then we'll see how it goes, and then we'll continue. Okay?
Cool.
All right. So just remember, want that like discomfort around a 5 out of 10. If it's too much, just let me know, and I can always turn it down. Okay?
Sounds good.
All right. Ready? Okay. And here we go. How's that feeling right there?
Yeah, I'm starting to feel it.
Okay. What's the pain or discomfort at?
It's not bad.
Not bad.
Starting to build.
What would you rate it at out of 10?
Maybe like a 2 or 3 right now. Yeah, it's building.
Right there.
4 or 5.
Okay, let's keep it there for a little bit, alright?
Yeah.
Is it just staying there? Is it going down the arm?
Kind of. I think if you go a little up. Yeah, right there.
Right there.
Ooh,
Okay. Alright.
that's a good spot.
Just focus on that breathing. Try to relax. We're already at 250 clicks. How would you describe that discomfort?
Go up a little. Definitely like a cramp, but not as sharp at times. Like a dull cramp.
A little like dull, achy. Okay. Alright, what's the pain at right there?
Not too bad.
Okay.
Yeah, I think we can go up.
Alright. Let's just finish this half session and then we'll bump it up, okay? Doing great. You have about 300 more clicks, okay? 200 left. How are you holding up?
I'm good.
Alright. Keep breathing. Slide over here. What's the pain at?
4 out of 10.
Let's go 4. Okay. And go for that first half. Nice.
Okay.
Alright, take a second to breathe, relax. I'm gonna grab more gel. Okay. So 4 to 10. Nothing too crazy like the first time?
Yeah, palms are sweaty, so we're okay.
Alright.
Okay, let's do it.
Where'd you feel it most throughout that first half of the session? A little lower right here, more on that insertion attachment point right there, or a little bit higher right?
I think a little higher there, but like the lower spot as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, so we'll start down here, okay?
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yep. Yep, that's the spot.
Yeah. Alright. Just breathe, relax. It's gonna bite quick, okay? What's the pain at? Out of 10?
4 to 10.
How about right there?
Ooh, I can feel that one radiating for sure.
Okay, where does that radiate to?
Kind of like
Down the shoulder?
Yeah.
Down this way?
Actually.
Down this way?
Yep.
Okay. Alright, that's a good spot. We'll hold that there for a little bit. Let me know when it stops radiating, okay?
Okay.
20, 10, 5, and we're done.
Oh.
Alright. Move that shoulder around, see how that feels.
Good mobility.
Alright. Cool. You are set. Thank you. You do get a little bit of that pain relief at the very end. You get that analgesic effect. So now we're just going to do some adjustments. Okay? You ready?
Sounds good, yeah.
All right. Comfortable?
Yeah.
Anything bothering you today?
I think just like normal back, shoulder stuff. It'd be good to get a neck crack if we can.
Yeah. A little higher on that left side, right through here. Okay. Let's check that pelvis. Alright, right through here. Nice, good big breath in and out. Yep. Alright, just relax that head.
Woo.
That was deep. Relax, relax, relax. A little more, a little more. A little yank right there. Maddie just got a pair.
Nice.
Right in there, just relax. Right there, nice good big breath in and out.
Oh, this is.
You're gonna take a nice good big breath in and you're gonna hold it, okay? Relax, take a nice breath. Alright. Big breath in. Hold. Alright. Hold those together. Relax. One more big breath in. All the way up.
Good.
How are you feeling after that treatment?
Good. I feel loose. I'm
Awesome.
feeling excited to take a few days off and then jump back in the pool.
Cool. How's that shoulder right now?
Good.
That's good.
Yeah, it's a little sore.
Yeah. All right. Well, thanks for coming in. I say maybe sometime next week, towards the end of the week, see how it goes. I'll check in with you in a couple days, see how that shoulder's going. All right.
Cool. Sounds
Awesome.
good. Thank
Thanks
you.
for coming.